All right, here we go. 2018 TriStar Mini Helmet 2-box break number 4. You got Tony with the Eagles, Bengals, Lions, Texans, Jets, Broncos, and Titans. Brendan with the 49ers, Christopher with the Steelers, Ryan with the Raiders and Seahawks, Chad with the Patriots, Scott with the Saints. That's Scott V with the Saints, Scott S with the Bucks and Skins. Michael B with the Giants, Tim with the Dolphins, Ravens, Falcons, and Panthers. Martinez with the Chargers. Scott P with the Chiefs, Packers, Browns, and Bears. Daniel with the Cowboys, Lynn with the Bills, and Ben with the Vikings, Rams, Jaguars, Colts, and Cardinals. Alright guys, those are your spots for tonight. Appreciate you guys filling it up as always. Good luck guys, good luck. First helmet tonight. Goes to the Bills. Cornelius Bennett. Nice hit for the Bills. Mr. Lynn on the Bills. And second hit of the night. The 49ers, Roger Craig. Roger Craig for the 49ers. Cornelius Bennett for the Bills. That's your 2 helmets tonight, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. I'll be back live for the certified break here in just a minute. See you guys then.